Hello guys, it's me, Layla, and I'm sorry I haven't done a video in a while. I've done a few stuff without you. And we can now fire the red cannon. Hopefully Mom will check it here, and no. I'm not checking this. So I'm sorry I haven't done a video in a while. I've done a lot of things. And I forgot to tell you I'm trying to get like the translators so we can do the stick bug thing. No. Yeah. No, I've done it before and I realized that stick bug is not a waste of time, guys. Yes, I need to get lots of pollen. Thank you. Beep, beep. If you look at the top of like the video, you'll see that there's a thing that's. Can you keep saying these numbers? I don't think so. Right? Okay, dude, why do I keep getting honey if I'm not even. I get it. It's me! Guys, you won't believe how expensive these things are in the shop. I bet you can't say those when I scroll to them. Did you do it? I bet you did not. But those things were expensive. And if you cheat, I can't do anything. Because where are my pants going? Yeah. How are they Me realizing that they go in the at the table. How did they go at the table? Is this Illuminati? This is gonna take me to a different community. Look, I told you it would take me to a different place. Yes, you did not see nothing. Yes, we did not just jump off that place. Yeah, you understand? We did not totally just jump off it. And we did totally not just get a field boost. If you know what caused me to scream, you must say it. I wish these things were connected. I'm trying to get like a lot of royal jellies because I keep getting the secret. Okay. We're gonna have to save 5,000. Wait, let me see that number. If I pronounced it right, I'm smart. But I can't even pronounce a million. Let me tell you what I'm gonna save up for. Now, 5,000. 5,000. Yeah, no. 5 million? Let me see it! This is how I read my words. Yes. No. Yeah, a vid is just like a video. Talking to my friend. Please. Yeah, I'm not helping you. I don't care if there's a wild Victoria's bee inside the rose field. I don't care. Phoenix. Yeah, I saw you earlier. I'll scream on the top of my lungs, Phoenix. Because this whole floor was dead. That quickly? It was literally a minute and a half. Like, cut the minute into it. I do not have 3 Mystic Beam. I have 3 deep! Oh wait, need something. Before I die. Wait, I have to do this before I die. Okay, now I can die. Okay, I need to go very high. I have died in an epic way. Okay, guys. In a video, after this video and half, in 2 seconds, I'm gonna play with my friends. No JK. I do private. Bye. Yeah, I don't think you could hear me right now. But I'm literally putting... Yeah, this is super loud. I can hear it a lot. Okay, you probably can't hear me. Bye.